How to disable SOS mode on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down, head towards this option of Cellular. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll find the option of Reset Settings. Click on it. Likewise, head back. Scroll down, open this option General. Scroll all the way down, click on this option of Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Heading towards next solution, open this option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you have to first restart your device. For that, what you have to do is press and quick release the volume up button, press and quick release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Following all these steps, you can easily disable SOS mode on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.